wabarakatuh. Today we have a champagne's title is When You Have a Fever, Keep Your Body Full Better with Ions. Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for giving us the opportunity to present these champagnes. One that is not only strategic but also deeply personal for many families across in Indonesia.
Let us begin with a simple thought. In every household, in every corner of our archipelago, there are moments that make the heart stop. And one of them is this: when a child has a fever.
It's a moment filled with emotion. Mothers stop what they are doing, fathers grow anxious, grandparents whisper their own remedies. Everyone turns their attention to the child, hoping, praying, and acting.
And what usually happens? A thermometer appears, a gentle is placed on the forehead, the medicine is prepared, but there's something else, something often overlooked: the need to replace lost body fluids.
This is the heart of our champions. Today, we're not here to talk about Atlantis, sweating on the court of running on a field. We're here to talk about children in bed with a fever and about how Pocari Sweat can step in as a simple, truth, and science-backed solution.
Because hydration, especially with ions, is not just a sport need. It is a healthcare essential in moments of illness, stress, and fever.
With these champions, we propose a shift in the narrative. We want to redefine jaga cairan tubuh not just as a message for Atlantis, but as a message for the mothers, fathers, and caregivers.
A message of care, a message of science, a message of love. So today, allow us, Fania and Sawa, walk you through this campaign what we believe can not only strengthen Pocari's position in the market, but also strengthen its connection with the heart of every Indonesian home.
Today, we are here with a champion that is very relevant and personal to many families in Indonesia. A champion about something close, simple, but impactful, maintaining body full fluids when children are sick.
Okay, the first slide is background. In many homes, one of the most panic-inducing moments for parents is when a child has a fever. What mothers do not just give medicine, but also compressing, monitoring the temperature, and trying to keep the child hydrated. Unfortunately, many don't know. During a fever, body fluids allowed very quickly, and water alone is often not enough. So, this is where Pocari Sweat comes in as a real solution. A drink that contains ion that can replace body fluids more effectively.
And the next slide is jaga cairan tubuh in fever situation. So we propose a new approach to the slogan is a keep fluid or jaga cairan tubuh. This one, and not just for sport but for the initial treatment of fever. This narrative will touch a wide target market, especially households like moms and young families. And the key message is fever visualize this message in 26-second video and enjoy watching.
When body temperature rises, body fluids are lots more. Pocari Sweat, jaga cairan tubuh.
Otska.
Doctor, why do we have a fever?
Fever is the body's way of fighting against viruses and bacteria. When you have a fever, the body loses a lot of fluids. Keep your body fluids better with iron. When body temperature rises, body fluids are lots more. Pocari Sweat, jaga cairan tubuh.
Otska.
Doctor, why do we have a fever?
Fever is the body's way of fighting against viruses and bacteria. When you have a fever, the body loses a lot of fluids. Keep your body fluids better with iron.
And next slide is educational and emotional narrative. The first scan is Xiao has a fever, mother feel anxious. Then she give him Pocari Sweat and say, Pocari Sweat keep the body fluid. And next scan is the child asks the doctor, Doc, why do we have a fever? And the doctor explain in simple language. Fever is the body way of fighting viruses and bacteria. But when you have a fever, you lose a lot of fluid. It's better to keep it up with ionic drinks. It's like a Pocari Sweat. The ending was a simple but educational, giving awareness that hydrating with ions is important, but in everyday situation.
Okay, the next slide is Intricate Campaign Strategy. The campaign will be strengthened with an intricate strategy. The first one, health education to doctor and health education collaboration with pediatrician to create fever management tips content, educational poster in clinic and pharmacies. The second one, for families, short from TV and YouTube at Mother and Child. Social media activation with hashtag Keep Fluids When Fever and Iron for Kids. The last one, digital engagement. Colossal content, 5 things to do when your child has a fever. UGC video campaigns, mom share their experience with fever. All of this reinforce the message that Pocari is a little fun for everyday health, not just sport. Okay, the last slide is Irons for Kids, Peace of Mind for Moms. The campaign has a warm and touching message. Pocari is not just an electrolyte drink. It is also part of first aid in real situation. By targeting a simple situation, a child with a fever, we open the emotional door to the family segment and expand the understanding that maintaining body fluids is part of love. With the support of Pocari, we want to convey to millions of mothers in Indonesia, when a fever comes, stay calm. Keep your child hydrated with Pocari Sweat. Okay, thank you, and we are ready to answer questions.
Okay, this one, what's your question?
What is the main objective of the campaign, right? To raise awareness that Pocari Sweat can help maintain body fluid during fever, not just after sport.
Yeah, and the next question. Why is fever a relevant and emotional topic for the target audience? Because many mothers feel anxious and helpless when their child has a fever, and this is a common situation is household.
Okay, the next question. And what media will be used to internet campaign strategy, right? TV and YouTube as social media campaigns, educational poster in clinic and pharmacies. Okay. Oh.
The next question is the campaigns one related to family health. How do you plan to manage this repositioning without agency?
Okay, you're absolutely right. When clarity is critical rather than responsible strategy, we propose a accession through narrative layering. We are not abandoning sports, instead we are expanding the relevance of future by introducing new emotional resonance use cases. This approach follows the same strategy used by global FMCG brands, applying the meaning of the project with losing their original audience. Our communication will mention distinct lines, one of sport performance and one for family health, but centered around Pocari's core promise with result success.
And ladies and gentlemen, as we close this presentation, we invite you to reflect on a simple truth: brands that stay relevant, stay human. Pocari Sweat has always been associated with movement, with energy, with performance, but now we ask, what if performance also meant being present for your child when they're sick? What if our role extends beyond sport into everyday life, into the
Critical moment of care. This campaign is not just about hydration. It's about empathy, about transmitting emotion. It's about creating a bridge between our brand-proven science and the real-life situation families face every day. We are not changing Pocari. We are expanding what Pocari meant, from corset to bedside, from sweet to fever, from athletes to parents.
Let Pocari be more than a drink. Let it be a gesture of care, a moment of reassurance, a truth name whispered in homes when a child says, "Mom, I feel hot." And that is a position no competitor can easily own. Thank you for your time, your trust, and your vision.
We are ready to build this story together.
Thank you for today, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
When body temperature rises, body fluids are lots more. Pocari Sweat, jaga cairan tubuh.
Otsuka.
Doctor, why do we have a fever? Fever is the body's way of fighting against viruses and bacteria. When you have a fever, the body loses a lot of fluids. Keep your body fluids better with just with iron. When body temperature rises, body fluids are lots more. Pocari Sweat, jaga cairan tubuh.
Otsuka.
Doctor, why do we have a fever? Fever is the body's way of fighting against viruses and bacteria. When you have a fever, the body loses a lot of fluids. Keep your body fluids better with just with iron. When body temperature rises, body fluids are lots more. Pocari Sweat, jaga cairan tubuh.
Otsuka.
Doctor, why do we have a fever? Fever is the body's way of fighting against viruses and bacteria. When you have a fever, the body loses a lot of fluids. Keep your body fluids better with just with iron.